I don't know, I should be careful, of course, what I'm saying. There are three clear situations of penalties. All the 50-50 whistles are against us. The game should be clean earlier instead of going up to this moment and struggling our players because they gave whatever they have. But the most I cannot understand. I usually do it to my players when we train penalties to stress them out. He went to Abisek in the last penalty and he asked me if he's wearing Syndergaard's. He's gonna tackle him. For God's sake, what is this? From the first day, from the first game against this Megal, were 3 offsides clean, a penalty. Why? Is this the right behavior against this historical team? We have this hard schedule and at the same time we have referees that are whistling this way. But we are here. We are strong, we survive, we will go on.
Next question.
Tell me. One team that used to play for 2 years one way, it's not easy to change the way in 4 weeks. It's not an excuse, this is the reality. We started the game amazing. High press, we stolen the ball, everybody was there. Suddenly, our defense line, here is where the problem starts. Our defense line collapsed. Manvir, Sahar has wrong positions. They gave to Jamshedpur the possession. Jamshedpur is making an over number with the midfielders, and there we have a big confused. Thapa goes high, there's a gap in the middle, a lot of passes, numbers to the side, and then still they have one chance, I think, from set piece and one from. And because we spend a lot of energy back and forward, when we receive the ball on the top, we are losing the ball. Easy balls. Drazic, Liston, Bosse, Sahal, Manvir. We created some chances, especially two there with open goal with Drazic. We should score, but I told you again, I don't do politics. This is not the way I want my team to perform. Excuses won't happen. This is the reality. We will try to change it. Things doesn't change from one day to the other, and especially now that in a couple of days we have next game. Hopefully, we didn't pay for this performance and we qualified for the next round because, as a matter of fact, I don't want these players to lose confidence, to be hurted, and also for the fans because they have expectations. Basically, we need to have good performance for a longer period of time. We need to be more focused. We have certain duties in our game, all the players, and during the game, a lot of times they are losing concentration. So the first thing is that we have to be concentrated. The second thing is, for sure, now finishings is a huge problem. There are 5-6 shots to the goal outside of the box that we didn't score goal, but there are also going to finishings inside the goal that we didn't manage to score goals. As a matter of fact, every 5 chances we should score at least 2 goals, and we should score goals. Looks like that also some players there are overloaded with a lot of minutes playing and they are tired. We will go tomorrow to the session, evaluate, and see how we will go on. I told you, we have to go tomorrow, see who is healthy, first of all, because we have 3-4 players with small bodies, but still we have issues. And then, according to the schedule, because, okay, I said that yesterday, I have to say it again, it's crazy. We were the first team in the group and suddenly we have the worst schedule than Emirates. I don't know why. Honestly, I don't know. I know I'm not looking for favors. I'm looking for a fair game. And we will see what exactly we have to do. Now Northeast plays, we have watched some games. You never know, maybe it's, nobody knows. See the opponent. Also, they will be also with the game, evaluate, and then we will make decision what's going to be our strategic and our plan for this game. I used to be a goalkeeper. Goalkeeping is tough. It is moments. Okay, he did one mistake. So what? In the game against Belgal, in the last 15 minutes, he gave us the win. And then he's saving the penalty. We stay with, but we have a very good goalkeeper and two very talented goalkeepers behind. But we have expectations to cover the position of the most historical club perfectly. Football has four phases. Has attack, finishes and possession, has defense, has attacking transition and defending transition. In which of these phases we don't like Brazils? What exactly you don't like in Brazils in these 4 games? Attack. So we have one player that he is playing 80% perfect, and we say that he's not playing good. Brazil is a great player. He came, like all the others, they are overloaded. He missed 2 chances, but most of the times, all the phases, in all the phases of the game, he's there. Defending, attacking, transition, passing, very disciplined player. And now he's hurt. So, yeah, also he made the assist. There are plenty of ways even attacking how you will offer to a team. So I don't agree that he's not playing good. Yeah, sure. Without our fans, it's not good. But I think some of them they will travel. I see that they are passionate. They will come there and they will support us. About the conditions, we are aware of this. We already discussed it with the medical room and with the SSC coach, and we will do some things to help players about the weather and the oxygen, etc.